guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into today's video. Today's video is a very quick install for this beautiful bob wig that I got from Tinashe Hair. This is a 5x5 HD lace bob wig in 10 inches. It came in the natural 1B color and it didn't come with the faux highlight effect. I don't know if you've actually seen it, I hope you have. But I added these blonde tracks just because I wanted things to be a little bit more interesting and edgy. I've been wearing black hair so much recently, damn it. I wanted something a little bit different. So here we are, that's what I've done. So this is the packaging it came in, and the length of the bob is here. This is a 10-inch bob that I'm wearing. So let me just open that up. They give you a few hair care tips. They also give you this satin bag. I love these because God knows the Shein bags had to go. They have wig caps, thank God. I have so many of these. I'm basically a factory. They gave me an edge brush and they also give you, what the hell is this? Lashes, and these are some sort of clips slash clamps. This is a duck clip type of thing, but I don't know what the purpose of this is, guys. Do you know? I don't know. This was the quickest install ever. I don't really have much to say about the hair. The hair is very flowy, it moves, and it has a very natural thickness. It doesn't look like Dora's thick ass ball. There are no unnecessary flyaways. The closure is absolutely amazing. It has a very healthy, like, natural luster. It doesn't look overly fake or shiny. Please do check the description bar for any missing information, anything I do not mention in this video, any products, anything else you may need or want to know will be down there for you. It's very, very grown, and I feel like the highlights, the faux highlight effect I did, just really, I love this, I do. The one issue I can say I've got with wigs that come from Tinashe Hair is that their sizing runs a bit small. So I always ask for a medium cap size, as I do with any other hair company. And if you're a regular to my channel, I reviewed and installed a unit from them. It was a 13x6 613 bob wig that I dyed orange. I'll insert a picture and the card will appear. I can't tell on which side. That wig was small and it was a 13x6, so I literally glued down one side and the other was just like, it's the sheer grace of God and the side parting I did that was saving me. So I thought, okay, cool, maybe that's an error on my part. Ordered a medium cap from them again, and this wig is honestly tight. It's not the most comfortable of fitting wigs. I would say if you're gonna order from them, go a size up. Guys, should I film a makeup tutorial? I'm really feeling my face. Like, my mirror is here and I can't help but look because what a face, okay? Let me not talk of your ears, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Watch another one or three. I have many videos on my channel. Let's get into the install. Bye. I am putting on the wig. You can see that it's a bit of a struggle and I've got to really pull it forward. I'm just going to clip things back so that I can cut the lace. I barely had to pluck the closure on this wig. Here I am just cutting the lace in a jagged motion because we want the lace to blend and melt in with our skin. I'm going for a subtle baby hair. I like mine to frame my face kind of and be where I would naturally have my own baby hairs. Just cutting in a downwards motion because you want the baby hairs to be tapered. You don't want them to be sharp and adult-like. You want them to be soft and fluffy. I'm just brushing these into place. I definitely went over and sprayed with some Got To Be, but I've lost that footage. So that's what I'm using to help form the baby hairs. And you don't want to use too much because it will literally get crispy and you will not be able to move them. And they won't be cute. I hate that glued to my face baby hair look that a lot of people go for. I'm sorry guys, I just don't like it. Using the edge brush, you just work the baby hairs, mold them into place using light strokes and go over and over and over to your heart's content, as long as things look the way you want them to be. So you can see the section of hair I'm leaving out for baby hairs is very light. The baby hairs look very fluffy already, and I haven't even like put on my edge band and let them set. These are not adult hairs, this is not a fringe, these are baby hairs. Now I'm using my Tinashe Hair edge band just to help me set my baby hairs, my lace in place. And for the 5 or so minutes that that's going on, I'm going to move on with the straightening. So using my ORS heat serum, I'm working that through my hair. So I'm just using my Remington. Are these Remingtons? Are these Babyliss? I couldn't tell you, but I'm just using a pair of straighteners. And because this is a bob, I'm bumping the ends inwards so it just falls that little bit much more naturally. So I like to lay my closures with a little bit of a natural lift, a natural height, volume. You can see that I'm combing the hair upwards and straightening inwards, bumping inwards and pinching just so it just doesn't fall flat on my face. So we are done and I'm taking off the edge band. And with the little edge brush comb they give you, I'm just going over and breaking apart any bits of the closure that would have got to be and have set in the wrong way or maybe a bit crunchy. So just using the comb side and breaking those apart and just zhuzhing the hair into place the way I'd like it to be. Now we go over the edges. I don't want them to set too hard. That is not my bag, that is not my genre. Just combing them so they're more fluffy than they are hard. And with a bit of leftover product on my makeup brush, I'm going over the lace just to make sure the HD lace is exactly my skin shade and colour. And it doesn't matter that I'm going over the baby hairs, I'm still going to comb them out again after this. Peep the baby hairs, they're very, very fluffy and these are exactly how I wanted them to look. And voila, the finished look. It's giving grown, sexy, cool, edgy. This is a bit of me. Like, look at me, I'm feeling myself. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about the final look. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had a hell of a time filming it for you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.